All right, so we're gonna be practicing a step-away sidekick. Now, I absolutely love sidekicks. I won a ton of matches with these bad boys knocking people down. Here's how you set up the sidekick. When you're in close range, you can't pick your knee up to get that kick out. So what you do is you brace, you step away. When you step away, this supporting leg needs to be pointed away. Just like you're running away from the problem, you look over your shoulder and chamber. Now what's happening is he's still stepping in, and so your foot's gonna connect. Most of the time, you're not even gonna be able to extend your leg the entire way. Watch how he does this. He's applying pressure, go. My leg's not even being able to extend. Now, the other thing that can happen with this is you can actually keep moving off of this, especially if you're fighting somebody who's a lot bigger than you. Their momentum is gonna propel you backwards. So again, he's here, and I step through. Another aspect that you can also add on to this is you can add a spin sidekick to the end. So I'm here, I do my step away, he's still coming, and then I can kick with my other leg at the same time. Full speed, it will look like this. And these drills right here are absolutely fantastic for building up the ability to defend yourself with sidekicks.